In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar to Notion Calendar. By the end, your Google events will flow right into Notion Calendar so you can plan, schedule, and track everything in one place. This process is quick, secure, and only takes a moment. First, open Notion Calendar and look to the left side of the screen. In the sidebar, find the option labeled Add Calendar Account. This is where Notion Calendar lets you connect external calendars so your events can be viewed and managed together. Click it to begin. Next, choose Connect Google Calendar. This tells Notion Calendar you want to bring in your Google events. You'll be redirected to Google's Sign In and Permissions screens. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure to pick the one that actually holds the events you want to see in Notion Calendar, such as your personal or work account. Now, sign in with your Google account and enable all permissions. Granting these permissions allows Notion Calendar to read your existing events, create new ones, and keep everything in sync, so changes you make in Notion Calendar are reflected back in Google. This is important for a true two-way connection. You're authorizing the integration through Google's secure system, which means you're in control and can review what access is being granted before you continue. After you confirm, you're done. Notion Calendar will take a moment to connect, and then your Google Calendars will begin appearing automatically. You should see your events populate on the calendar view, and you'll be able to create and edit events as you normally would. If your schedule is busy, it might take a few seconds for everything to load, so give it a moment. Once the sync settles, your upcoming meetings, reminders, and all-day events should be visible right away. From here, scheduling becomes much smoother. When you add or adjust an event inside Notion Calendar, it will sync back to Google, keeping both places aligned. If something doesn't look right at first, double-check that you selected the correct Google account and that you allowed all the permissions during the connection step. Also, remember that your time zone settings in both Google Calendar and Notion Calendar should match to avoid any confusion with start and end times. And that's the whole setup. You've connected Google Calendar to Notion Calendar using the built-in account connection flow, signed in, enabled the requested permissions, and you're ready to go. Enjoy a cleaner, centralized view of your schedule right inside Notion Calendar.